First to market AI tech with 125 plus AI and web tools that revolutionize your business. All-in-one complete AI marketing suite to enter and profit from top AI niches. With built-in AI tools, generate voiceovers, write content, create images from keywords in seconds. Easily perform AI transcriptions and improve your audience reach 10x. Grow your social media presence on Facebook, IG, YouTube, and others with bio pages, QR codes, URLs, links and custom domains. Complete social media content creation and marketing automated with AI. 10x your engagement, traffic, clicks and sales, maximize freelance revenues. Save big on freelancers and designer fees, no more reliance on third-party platforms. Perfect for digital marketers, bloggers, social media influencers and freelancers. No complicated setup, get up and running in 2 minutes. 100% cloud-based. Beginner-friendly, age, experience, skill, no bar. Risk-free, 30-day money-back guarantee. Elite AI Suite works in 3 easy steps. Now, let this groundbreaking AI get to work. Select from our different AI tools. Choose from what you want to create: AI content, AI images, AI voiceover, transcription, AI chatbots, biolink, and bio pages, pixels, QR codes, shorten URLs, static sites, file links, event links, vCard links, create custom domains, splash pages, and others. Enter keywords and click generate. Once you create, watch traffic and commissions rolling in, sell complete AI services to clients on freelance platforms and pocket huge commissions. Once you activate this all-in-one AI suite, just sit back, grab your cup of coffee and let AI run your online AI services business while you just watch and make profits 24/7. AI images. With Elite AI Suite, create and sell eye-catching AI images for banners, infographics, presentation decks, social media posts, graphics for ads, graphics for ebooks, illustrations, product mock-ups, explainer graphics, and much more. Transform visuals with AI-powered images, catering to the $354.49 billion global design industry. Freelancers in this niche earn an average of $25 to $150 hourly and more than $500 per project. AI marketing content creation. Produce compelling blogs, articles, ebooks, and ad scripts with Elite AI Suite, targeting the $412.88 billion content marketing sector. Freelancers rake in $30 to $150 hourly. AI transcription services. Convert audio and video into text effortlessly, catering to $44.6 billion transcription services market. Transcriptionists earn an average of $15 to $40 per hour. Social media management. Streamline social media posts and marketing with Elite AI Suite, tapping into the $255 billion social media marketing realm. Social media managers earn an average of $50 to $150 hourly. Social media marketing for influencers. The influencer marketing industry is estimated to be worth $13.8 billion in 2025. Freelancer social media marketers earn an average of $50 to $200 per hour. Biolinks, biopages, URL shorteners, QR codes. With Elite AI Suite, enhance social media promotion with biolinks, biopages, and URL shorteners, crucial in the $389 billion digital marketing consultancy sector and $6.2 billion URL shortener market. Freelancers earn an average of $40 to $100 per hour. Digital marketing consultancy. The digital marketing industry is forecasted to surpass $389 billion by 2025. Digital marketing consultants earn an average of $50 to $300 per hour. With Elite AI Suite's complete social media content, marketing, and promotion toolkit, one can easily establish itself as an authority providing consultancy to thousands of businesses and make a killing. Audiobooks and podcasts. Audiobooks will hit $19.4 billion in 2027. Dominate the booming audiobooks and podcasts industry, with Elite AI Suite's AI-powered voiceovers and transcription services. The audiobooks market is valued at $3.5 billion, while podcasts generate an estimated $1 billion in annual revenue. Freelancers in this niche earn an average of $50 to $100 per hour. Hurry! The price rises in. And now it's your chance to be among them. With 5 minutes of work every day, set up your own AI services business selling to thousands globally. All you need to do is grab the commercial license. Set it up once, and let the AI workforce run the show, and you profit 24/7, without even lifting a finger. Elite AI Suite is created to help you set up a cool business and make money for you. Loads of it. But it's incredibly hard and exhausting for any business to even get started, forget about thriving. Hiring freelancers is an expensive option. And most freelancers are unskilled, whose mediocre work will leave you with frustration and anger. If you do it yourself, then you need to be well versed with technical know-how, need to learn coding and designing skills, etc. Using third-party platforms is another option, but it comes with its own set of problems. You end up paying huge monthly fees, must share profits, and zero control over the site traffic, etc. With Elite AI Suite, you will never have to. Elite AI Suite saves you countless hours and thousands of dollars you invest for growing and scaling your business. Hiring freelancers for each of these services will cost you anywhere starting from $100 for a single service. When you need all these services, it escalates to $5K and easily. Being able to create all these on your own with Elite AI Suite will not only save you tons of money but also invaluable time and effort. Just click once and create endlessly. You will never have to hire a content creator, graphic designer, voiceover artist, transcription artist, copywriter, or any other freelancer ever again. It will quickly replace 13+ apps and save you more than $5,000, that is shit tons of money.